Final episode. Here we go. Foxy. Oh yeah, she went to bed already. Wimp. Morning, Foxy. Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. I'm here with... everybody's sleeping. Foxy the Fearless is sleeping. Both of the girls are sleeping. I'm drinking coffee. Still, it's my day off. So I found this vlogger on YouTube. He's putting in some serious work, but he needs more people to know about him. Go check this guy out. I'll put a link down below in the description box. Here he is.
So, maybe the bubble. You're so blue. And you're so red. Only purple.
That's really cool egg, Diddley.
Yeah, I made the rainbow.
You did. It's awesome. Well, are you ready to go to school?
Yes, I'm paying Foxy. I'm paying Foxy from he's okay.
She likes it. Alright, Tinley's at school. Just went and grabbed the drone. I think the drone needs a name. I don't like calling it the drone. If you got a good name for the drone, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I'm gonna go test this thing. See what kind of height we can get. Heading to the park. Well, she got pretty high. Too high, as a matter of fact. Sure glad I was in a nice big open area, because I got out of range and it took off on its own. Had to push the emergency stop button. She came tumbling down, but she survived. Still in one piece to fly yet another day. Time to go get my new driver's license photo. got quite a bit done. Got some work done on the scorpion striker. Got some work done on Sue's knife. Made 3 more keychains. They're ready to go. Here they are. So I'll go throw those in the station for sale. Hopefully I can sell those because I'm running a little low on propane. I need some propane money. I might have a bottle kicking around here somewhere. Anyways, it's almost time to go get the girls. So, better roll.